Konnichiwa, Roxanne des. It's the Spooky Cat Lady, and today I've got another Japan crate, the June Japan crate. Yay! So we're gonna take a look and see what's inside. So let's check it out. There we go. And we got this. Got some Demon Slayer stuff. I like Demon Slayer. Saw the movie recently in the theater. So here is everything that comes in the June box. So you can take a snapshot, pause, if you want to read about everything. Alrighty, let's see what we've got. We got this, what looks like lemonade from Okinawa. Guess we'll find out. Could be like some kind of melon too. And these I've had before. They're corn, and they got a little bit of chocolate on them. Tasty and crunchy. And these are those whistle candies. This one's cola flavor. Cola. Pure sugar right there. Sour. Could be good. These, I got two things. These are very squishy. Like, it feels like it could be like a real pineapple in there, which is what it is. Pineapple flavored. Interesting. You got this little guy where you do some stuff and you make it, and it looks like it's gonna be melon flavor. Nice. Some kind of a hard candy in there. Name reba, name. I don't know the flavor, but that's why you freeze frame the other thing. This is gum, and it might be minty, is my guess. It's gonna be very minty, cold. And here we got a gummy, cola flavored gummy. These are yummy. I've gotten these before and they are good, crunchy. Got custard. I want to eat the whole thing, but I can't. I'm so close. I was 144 pounds and now I'm 129, on my way to 120. I'm not gonna ruin it now. So we're only gonna try a couple of these when we get to that phase. Oh, strawberry pretzels, tasty. Bet those are good. Caramel corn, and they are peach flavor. 50th caramel corn. I guess it's peach. I'm not sure. Looks like peach. That's what happens when I don't read the thing. Something Natsukashi candy. Like weird candy sticks things. Interesting. Coffee. These coffee beans, I guess, are coffee flavor. Blue Bear, are you around? I hear sneezes. I think I had one of these in the last Japan crate, or one very recently. But it's basically sugar, and you got a little sucker in there. You dip it in. Oh, that's gonna be a gummy, the nice squishy kind. And he might be very refreshing flavor, like a mint or something. Cool. That'll be fun. Ooh, lemon, very sour. Gomu, which means my husband won't want any. For some reason, he is hating on gum lately. Not really sure why. And this is the exact same one I got in the last month's Peach Parfait Kit Kat. So now I got 2 bags of these. So I may have to start sharing them to get rid of them because we got too many again. They're starting to pile up. But they are good, don't get me wrong. It's not that I don't want them, don't like them. I love them. I just got to get rid of this pandemic weight. Keep on working on that. All right, so that was everything. So I'm going to pick 1 or 2 and we're going to try it. And I'm sure it's going to be awesome. All right, see you soon. So I picked a couple things that I have not had before. So first we're going to start with the drink, which could be melon, could be lemon, could be a mix of all of them. Oh, cat fur. The drink is good. It tastes like lemonade. That's lemonade. Not as sweet a lemonade as we would make here in the US, but it's lemonade. So decided to do this coffee one because they don't put coffee flavored stuff in here that much. Cola, yes. Coffee, no. So this is intriguing. Here we go. There are a bunch of little balls. So they're not coffee beans, but maybe they're made out of coffee beans. I don't know. It's different coffee. I think it might actually have ground up coffee in the middle and then a chocolate coating like an M&M. A coffee M&M. That would be cool. Coffee M&Ms. Ah! It ran away. So here are these weird stick things. Now this is very different. Crunchy. Potato. It has like a sweet caramel coating on the outside of like a potato stick. It's good. The last thing we're gonna try, because I've definitely never had one of these in the bags before, is this pineapple thing. Oh, look at that. Oh! I lost a couple. Now I'm sad. Here's a little pineapple. It's good. It's very soft. Pineapple gummy. The kitties are gonna eat it. I gotta get them. So that's all I'm gonna try for now. Everything was really good. Nothing else that I see here looks like something I wouldn't like. I think I would like it all. So I'm very happy with the June Japan crate. And if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next month in the next Japan crate. Bye bye!